What's up, motherfuckers?
Barney, what do you need all this shit for?
I might need all of this shit, because this is Four Seasons Day.
Barney, I've never heard of Four Seasons Day before.
4 seasons?
Well, that's because I smoked 124 pounds of weed when I made this whole shit of a holiday. 2 days of holiday, a joyous fucking holiday, a day that fucks with nature. Okay, the first part of Four Seasons Day is spring! Let's all take a big shit on the ground. That's nice.
And birds make their nests in trees. And there are baby birds who sing for sex.
And sometimes in the spring, it rains.
Seaman!
Hey, it really is raining.
Seaman!
We're going to get wet.
I can help with that.
We better wait on the school steps until the
Seaman!
rain stops.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's go. Get the fuck out of my way, you fucking bitch. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is fucking. He went to bed and fucked his bitch and couldn't get up in the morning. If it never ever rained again,
Yeah?
we'd have a really fucking hard time getting clean. If it never ever rained again, if it never ever rained again, I do declare I couldn't wash my balls if it never ever rained again.
If it never ever rained again, if it never ever rained again,
I'd need water and a pail to wash my cock if
if it never ever rained again, if it never ever rained again, if it never ever rained again,
I couldn't wash my cock, couldn't wash my balls, couldn't wash my ass or anywhere. See what I mean? I couldn't get clean if it never ever rained again.
I wish we had some sunscreen lotion to protect our skin from the sun.
I've got lots of sunscreen lotion right here.
Okay.
Hey, who's that cock sucker? Have some. You can go fuck yourself in hell.
oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please
Shit!
down on me. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun,
Fuck!
behind a tree. These little
Bitches!
are asking you to please come out so we can
Fuck!
with you. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please
Shit!
down on me.
I know a game we can play that's about the sounds of summer.
Really? Oh, my heck. Let's go.
Now just sit down over there.
Okay.
Let's oh, now I'll make some sounds that you hear in the summer. And you try to guess what sound I'm making, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Okay, here's the first summer sound. Here we go. Oh, ready, set, and go! Boy, 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 boy.
You're
Fuck!
singing, Barney. You're
Fuck!
singing.
Oh, sure. Funning is a fun thing to do in the summer, but it did make me just a little fucking tired.
Oh, please, Barney, don't you know at least one more summer sound we can do?
Oh, sure I do. And you don't even have to guess what it is. It's a poem.
I like poems. Me too.
In summer, when the bitches are hot, I like to find a shady spot. And fuck, and fuck, and fuck, and fuck. One little leaf so bright and gay fucked a tree one nice fall day. The wind came blowing round and round, and the last little leaf came tumbling down. The last little leaf came fucking down. Oh no. Let's see. The last fucking leaf came motherfucking down.
What a
Fucking!
mess!
We better clean it up, right, Barney?
Right. So, line up. Present arms. take notes. One for you, and one for you, and one for you, and one for you, and one for me. Winter's here, it's so here. The air is cold and clear. Snow is here, trees are here. It's that time of year. I love to find the icicles, the great big snowflakes too. 'Cause it's the
Queer!
Season full of special things to
Fuck!
Hello again to all my fans. I'm glad you came to fun. Here's what we did today. Today was just full of surprises because it was Four Seasons Day, the day that fucks with nature. Why don't you look outside, then color a picture of your season? Have fun looking like a dumbass. And remember, no matter what season of the year it is, there's one thing that never changes. Fuck you.